Now, we'll be learning one of the best words out there. And Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have DOST. DOST. DOST is a friend, a buddy, or an ally. Let's explore them in some phrases, sentences, and a fun use. Let's see. A good friend, old buddy, trusted ally. Let's see how to say those in Azerbaijani. Yaxşı DOST. Yaxşı means good. Köhnə DOST. Köhnə is old. Etibarlı DOSTluq. DOST is a friend. DOSTluq is friendship or ally. Etibarlı, trusted. Now, let's use those in some sentences. First one. İndi, yaxşı dost tapmaq çox çətindir. Nice and easy sentence. Let's see what does this mean. It's very hard to find a good friend now. Let's break it down. İndi, now. Yaxşı dost, good friend. Tapmaq, to find. Çox, very. Çətindir, it is. Hard. Now, çətin, hard. Çətindir is hard. Let's see another sentence. Azərbaycan, bütün dövlətlərlə dostluq əlaqələrini möhkəmləndirməyə çalışır. Important sentence, especially nowadays. Let's see. Azerbaijan is striving to strengthen friendship, means relationships, with all countries. Azerbaijan, we all know. You may have heard even Azerbaijan, some people called Azerbaijan. It's Azerbaijan. Bütün dövlətlərlə, with all countries. Dövlət, country, dövlətlər, countries, dövlətlərlə, with countries. Dostluq əlaqələrini, friendship or friendship relationships, relations. Möhkəmləndirməyə, to strengthen, çalışır, striving, tries. Now, that was my way of using DOST. I have another one. Everyone becomes a DOST when you have chips at your desk. Thanks so much for staying with me and learning how to say and use DOST. I also have masterazerbaijani.com where I post every 10 days tips and tricks of learning Azerbaijani. But if you prefer more systematic curriculum-based solo approach, I also have Master Azerbaijani app available to download. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.